Locate the fraction 2/3 by dividing the distance between 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts and moving 2 places from 0. Now, divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 6 equal parts and notice that 2/3 and 4/6 are the same distance from 0. Fractions that represent the same quantity are called equivalent fractions. The fraction 4/6 can be made from 2/3 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator or by the same number. Think about what this means. Increasing the denominator by 2 makes each part 2 times smaller, while increasing the numerator by 2 increases the number of parts counted by 2. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number does not change the quantity.